I've had a lot of Ondo videos and then we make crazy returns, 112%, and we got all the pumps and dumps on Ondo so far. So the question is, what will happen now? I've got a few scenarios that I'm looking at, especially when we're pumping right here. We have a good amount of longs being opened. By the way, this video is no financial advice. $238,000 worth of longs being open right now, and we're looking into getting a few fills. So the first very important area that we always need to add is this area right here, and the next one is this area right here. This area right here is the 50 EMA on the daily chart. This is the 10 EMA. Normally we have reactions to this level. That's why we actually rejected from here. Also above these levels right here, we'll have people having their stop losses at, so we can actually see all of these data here. If we go to Ondo USDT on Binance, we're going to the 1 week, and there's a massive amount of shorts, 9.5 at 9.5. So right here we basically have liquidation. So here is my price prediction and how I'm thinking of trading this coin. I think short term we might, so long term price prediction, we're going down. This is the long term price prediction. Short term, I think from here we will have a retracement to the upside where we can buy some, and then we're gonna be going down. That's basically my price prediction. Let me know your thoughts about it. Use the link in the description below if you want to sign up for my course. I made it very cheap, 262 grand up on BlueX, 30 grand on this new wallet when we go to max. I've been building it from scratch. Let's just refresh that. I can prove that I'm the owner of the wallet. And also here's the course, here's more info. In the link in the description below, I also have links for BloFin. BloFin are currently giving away a $30 bonus plus 50% off your spot fees and a bunch of other stuff. So make the switch with me today. Live with all my heart. See you next video.